can we convert it as dynamics? So that is the main point of this. So here, with the help of client-side scripts, by using JavaScript or React or any other, with the help of client-side scripts, we can convert the static HTML controls as dynamic HTML. Means, so we can apply the runtime functionalities. It is a bit confusing to you. A simple example I will show you. Then you will get the clarity. I want to display one image by using HTML. Okay. For example, this page I am storing with the name demo.html. Yes. So in my browser, I have many images like orange is there, all.jpg is there, pineapple.jpg. Like that, we have many images. Okay. Now, one image control I want to display in the browser. So just we are using simple img tag. Don't try to understand program. So see the concept. I will explain the programs in detail later. Here, just we are discussing about what is dynamic. Okay. So img tag, one property I have given, source is equal to orange.jpg I have given, and width is equal to 100 pixels. Means two properties I have given for this image control, right? Yes. What is the file name? That is demo.html. Now, if you observe this is demo.html. So open this file here. Now you can see. So this is runtime. Yes. So this is runtime. So means the HTML file is loaded in browser with the properties what I have given in the design time. So what are the properties I have given here? Yes. These are the properties I have given. Source as well as width. Source is orange.jpg and with this 100 pixels like that I have given these properties. So now these properties I want to change in browser. Okay. So for example, this source I want to change or that width I want to increase if user click on the control. So by default, not possible with HTML because at design time, what are the properties we have given with these properties, it is loaded. My requirement is okay, I want to change the properties on browser based on the user action. By default, it is not possible. So in that point of view, we are taking the support of these client-side scripts. That's the first point which I told you. Okay. Yes. So this is to apply dynamic functionalities on the HTML elements. Is it clear? Yes. So here I will write a small code, then see the result of this. So don't try to understand this code. I will discuss with the React.js everything. Okay. So now source is equal to what that all.js. When I click on this, what is the result here? So now the source is changed. Once again, refresh it. By default, we have orange, that is the source. Now, if I click on this, then it is changed as all.jpg. Is this clear? So like that, any property, for example, so if you observe this, you've got other websites which want to do. Now you can see. So in these websites, if you move mouse on the images like this, you can now see this. Yeah. If you move mouse on these images, what is happening here? That image size is increasing, right? So this image size is increasing. Means nothing but width they are increasing here with mouse over. Like that, these are all the client-side functionalities. Okay. So we can do by using these JavaScript or React or any other JavaScript related libraries or frameworks. Okay. Same for example here, the same functionality I want to do. Then again, I'm telling don't try to understand this code. Okay. So we'll discuss later. Now refresh it. So mouse over, see it is increased. Is it clear? Like that, this is the first point which I told you. As to apply dynamic functionalities on the HTML elements. And second point is to validate input controls. So for example, if you observe this, so when I click on the button, now you can see displays message, what is your name? Like that. Okay. So these type of validations you can perform by using these things. Okay. Yeah. That's the second point. Third point, to work with Ajax, very, very important for us. Ajax we are using to send a request from browser to server without submit the web page. A bit introduction I will give you about this. So let me draw a diagram. 1 second. For example, this is a server, this is browser, and we have one button. When I click on this button, I want to send one request to the server. Okay. For example, in these websites, if you click on any buttons, okay, so in backend, one request is going to the server and fetching some latest information, right? If you click on any product, then what is happening? This Flipkart, one request is going to the Flipkart server, and the selected product information is again getting back and displaying in your browser. Like that, this request you can send in two ways. One is using yes, submit. Another one is using Ajax. Like that, we can send this request in two ways. The first one is using submit, and second one is what? Using Ajax. Now, submit means what is happening? Entire page is going to the server. Enter the current web page is going to the server. That is the submit one. But Ajax means the page is not submitting to the server. Is it clear? The page is not submitting to the server. Only in backend process. Okay. One request is going to the server. That is with Ajax. This clear? Yes. So that is the main point of this. Means instead of submitting the web page, okay, we can send a request to the server. So without submit means it's not reloading the browser. So means very less data will transfer between the browser and server. So these days, all websites working with Ajax to increase the performance because Ajax transfers very less amount of data. Okay, so that is very important. So this online shopping cart applications, share market information for every regular intervals of time, shares updated information we're getting. Okay, like that, everything is working based on Ajax. So that is the main point of this. Is it clear? Yes. So I will explain you how to work with Ajax. The mainly API services. Okay. Server-side API services we are calling through Ajax. That is the main point of this. Okay. So I will explain you how to call the backend API services, how to work with these cloud operations, everything I will discuss with you. So anyhow, we are spending around 4 days with this Ajax. That Ajax also we can implement by using client-side scripts. Next one is execute logics. Yes. Yeah. Already told you the logics which we are implementing by using client-side technology like React, etc. Those logics execute where? In browser or server. Client-side logics execute where? Inside the browser or server.
inside
Yes.
browser.
In the browser. Okay. So one simple example I will show you. So this is assume that one bank server and this is a loan page and this is our browser. Now we're sending one request to the loan page. Okay, that page is loaded in your system. That page is loaded. In this page, we have the controls like amount text box and tenure, and this is calculate. On the button, this one calculate. If user enter amount like this, something like 10 lakhs, yes, and tenure, something like some 60 months. When you click on the calculate button, based on the rate of interest and other parameters, okay, we need to display EMI every month income, okay, to end user. What is the EMI of this loan? So for that, you can implement logics by using server-side script or client-side script. What happens if you implement by using server-side script? So when user click on this calculate EMI button, when request is going to the server, there it is processing that, okay, and response is coming back to the browser. Means for this entire trip, it takes some time. In case the same logic if you implement by using client-side scripts, so here only the request is executing and immediately user can see the response here. Yes, for this process it takes very less time. That's why the logics of client-side script, okay, the results of client-side script very faster than the results of server-side script. Due to that reason, many logics in website we are implementing with the client-side scripts. So that's why we have more openings with these client-side technologies. Okay. So this is about what we can do with the client-side scripting languages. Once again, if you observe this React.js, React.js is a client-side script we are using to implement the dynamic websites. So this React.js is nothing but the library of JavaScript. Okay. Library means what is that? Providing more functionalities to work with the original technology. Okay. JavaScript is the base technology here. Okay, to work with the JavaScript, it is providing more features. That is the main thing. Now, in website development point of view, if you take this coding section, okay, so two types of scriptings we are using. One is client-side script, another one is server-side script. Already we discussed, okay, so where we are using this client-side scripts. For example, if you take the server-side script, so database connectivities, okay, and session creation, token creation, in that point of view, not UA developers, server-side programmers will work with these server-side scripting languages. For example, So you want to connect with the database. Database is not available in your system, okay, in client system. So is Facebook database available in your system? No, it is available where? Facebook server. So to connect with the database, compulsory server side script is required, not client side script. Like that. This is the concept where we are using this client side and server side scripts. Okay. Now come to this React. Who implemented this React JS? Mr. Jordan Walking. Yes, this Jordan Walking implemented this React JS. In the year, sorry, 2013. Not only this a single person, along with the other team members, they implemented this React JS. Okay, so it belongs to Facebook organization. The main purpose behind the implementation is they wanted to apply more features in the Facebook chat concept. For that, initially they implemented this React JS. So the main purpose is internal purpose. Okay. Later, they released this React as open source. From then, many developers they started using this React JS in their applications. Like that, if you take this, okay, Instagram, next one, Flipkart, and Apple related websites, all these websites contains React code. Okay. So earlier Jordan was implemented in the year 2013. Is it clear? It belongs to Facebook. Yes. So Jordan Walkie proposed this React JS and started development along with the team members. So that is the main point of this. The year 2013. Is it clear? So this is about the concept of React. Okay, and now why should we use React JS? Already JavaScript is there. Okay, in client side development point of view, or else we have Angular also. Okay, then why should I go with this React JS? What additional things are available in this React JS compared with the other technologies? So that is the concept we need to discuss. Okay, so that concept I will discuss in the next class. Features of React JS. Okay, yes. So I think this basic information got the clarity, right? Okay. Now, what are the contents we are discussing here? First, I will discuss JavaScript because so React.js is the library of JavaScript. So we are using this React.js along with the JavaScript. Okay, that's why you should know about the JavaScript. Okay, first I will discuss JavaScript. So complete JavaScript we'll discuss here. Around it will take 23 days like that. Okay. After that, we will start the React.js. And React.js around it will take 45 days to 50 days. Okay. So that's the total core duration is around. So 65 days it will take. Okay. Yes. So in React.js, we'll discuss both functional components, class components, database connectivity, lifecycle hooks. Different types of lifecycle hooks are there. So everything we are covering here. Okay. Yes. And every day 1 hour session demos I am taking around 45 to 50 minutes. After that 1 hour session we are taking every day. And 6 days a week. Okay. 6 days a week. And next one, demos 45 minutes to 50 minutes we're spending. And after these demo classes, you will get the drive access. Okay, after these demo classes, you will get the drive access. I will share everything to your drive. So drive in the drive, I will place the class notes, recording of the day, everything. Then you can directly access from the drive. Okay, yes. So this is the pattern which we are discussing here. Okay. Yes. You have any doubts in this, you can ask me now. So
Sir,
just what is React JS I explained you. Okay. Features we'll discuss in next class. Yes, Mahesh, tell me.
Sir, will you cover any project in React?
So here, this is mini project point of view. Okay, we are discussing the concepts. Okay, and live project you want to do after this course, that is separate course, 3 months duration course. There you can attend the live project, but that is not included with this fee structure. And second point, you want to attend any project, okay, compulsory. So these all concepts you should aware. Okay. So without knowledge on these concepts, you can't understand the project. That is the main thing.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
sir, which AI tool will you cover in this? AI
So
tool.
Copilot, okay,
Okay, sir.
and Gemini. Okay. Next one, I will also explain how to prompt with this okay, chat GPT, these tools.
Okay,
Mainly
sir.
Copilot is the concept.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And sir, one thing is, sir, I need Node.js with AI tools. Sir, will you cover Node.js with AI?
Node.js means that is separate server-side coding, right?
Yes, sir.
I will
Yeah,
start.
yeah.
Yeah, but rarely I'm starting the Node.js classes. Okay. Mostly it is React only because now the more demand is for React, right? That's why I'm taking the sessions React. But
Okay, sir.
Node from my side, don't expect now. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
It will take much time to start the Node.js because already I engaged with this React and React project batches. That is the reason.
Okay, sir. Because I
If you
need
want,
Node.js with AI also, sir.
yeah, better you should search outside any other institution for 3 years. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For me,
Okay.
it take much time to start. Slots are not free now.
Okay, sir. After completed React.js, you will cover, sir, any project sessions?
Yes, I will cover this batch is going through many, okay, application like in shopping cart, okay, add to cart and more info like that, how to work with these concepts. Okay, like that, we will go with that flow. Okay, so that is the pattern we are discussing. We want project that is separate batch. Okay, not
Yes, sir.
included here.
Yes, sir. I'm so interested to join the separate batch for project, sir.
Then already project batch, evening one project batch is running. You want to join with that, you can join.
Sir, this project based on React only.
Huh? Well, React project.
React project.
So
Sir,
I am discussing media queries there. Okay. So
okay, sir.
that's why after that I will discuss the project there. Okay. So already it is started. So you can get the videos. Okay. Now CSS I discussed till now. Okay. Yes,
Okay, sir.
today I am starting the media queries, how to implement the response. So after that, I will start the logics by using React. That is shopping cart application, same Flipkart. So you want to
Okay.
join, then I will inform to them. Okay, they will call you.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. I want to join, sir.
Hello,
Definitely.
sir.
Ah,
Hello.
Durga. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Hello.
Sir, what is the project batch name, sir?
Mukesh, I am not able to understand once again.
This project batch name. You're saying now separate
Ah,
project batch is there. So what is the name?
yes,
And it will be taught by you only or some other
yes,
faculty?
yes, I only. That is evening 9 o'clock. Night, evening means night, 9 p.m.
Okay.
Okay.
It is a month stack or just React only?
Not Munstack. That is React
Ah,
project. So
mhm.
actually APS, okay, that is Node.js APS only, Munstack only, but I don't discuss the Node.js concepts. The existing APS we are accessing, just like in companies.
Okay.
As a UI
Okay.
developer, how we are working, same pattern. So in
Okay.
company, in your project, you are the UI development team and server-side programmer separate team is there. They will create the API
Mhm.
services and they will tell you that API service endpoint name and what the payload required. Okay, then we are accessing that, right? The same
Okay.
pattern we will discuss here. We don't create the API services. That is not meant stack. That is UA project only with React.
Only, sir, what is the fee structure of project batch?
They will discuss with you, Mahesh and Mukesh. Okay, both you asked me about this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
I will inform them to call you. Okay. They will discuss each and everything. Right?
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir.
The
Yes.
duration of the project, sir? Duration of
3 months. 3 months.
3 months.
Project duration is 2.5 months. We can estimate.
Sir, only
Sir,
one
sir,
project will
can
be
you
shot or more than one?
Huh?
Only one project will be teach or more
Only
than one?
one real project with the testing, okay, and deployment with Git, okay. So repositories, everything, okay.
okay, sir.
If anybody is
Okay, sir.
teaching more projects in this time period, so it is not in depth, okay. Got it. So
Uh,
because in companies, how many months we are taking to implement the project, right?
okay, sir.
Yes. So
Sir,
this
can
is
you
one project that is shopping cart application with payment gateway integration, how to do the payment, everything. That is the main thing.
sir, will you provide notes, recordings, everything for the
Everything you will get the Google Drive access.
Google Drive, sir? In this React session, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Every batch, React project, whatever it may be, every batch recordings will be shared with you.
Recording with material, sir, means notes, sir.
Notes
Notes of
that day programs, okay, that day programs, recording, notes, everything I will upload there.
okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yes. This is clear, right? Fine.
Yes,
Tomorrow class we will discuss what are the features of React JS, compare with the JavaScript, what are the features we have, compare with the Angular also, what are the features we have. So those concepts we'll discuss in that tomorrow class. Okay.
Sir, I have a
okay, sir.
question here.
Yeah. Raj,
As
tell me.
I have zero knowledge on UI side, shall I
Uh,
continue this batch? It will be
yeah, then this is fine to you.
okay. And sir,
Okay.
if I will
Uh,
compare with like the AI things which are coming in market, that will not going to affect this coding part of UI developers.
See, a few years back, people used to say, so computers are introducing, so human resource jobs will be okay lost like that. But what happened? That resource is increased, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So that's why here. So see, one more point I will tell you. These AI tools are very advantage for the software engineers now because it becomes easy in development. But AI cannot do each and every task. Okay, you have to prompt, then accordingly it is giving the requirement. But it cannot guess and till now, if you take these tools, it cannot guess your task. So that analysis, everything will be done by you only, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why here it is more helpful for us, okay, to easily work with the jobs, okay, but it won't replace, okay, it won't replace in the development, okay. In which area it is replacing, I will tell you. So, for example, management, not management, if you observe here, so it means that these type of entries and this type of some Excel related, so those are affecting more, but not that much effect on this development side. So you may ask, so these companies layoff are going on. What the reason is? This is not for AI tool. Okay, this is not because of AI tool. So in COVID time, so they have taken more resource. Okay, but that is not required actually. That resource they are laying off now. That's the reason. So UA means AI will not that much affect in this development according to because I think 2022 this chat GPT they introduced, right? Okay, this 2025
Mhm.
we are running. So it is not that much impact. It is not that much impact. But one point I can say in a project, instead of 10 members, okay, so they may reduce 2, 3 members because of this AI tools, okay, because that coding prompt, everything, the single person has to work with the uh, 2 persons work like that. So that time, in that point of the team size may reduce, but we won't affect completely on the job. Okay.
Mhm.
So and moreover, don't think in that point of this is not right time to think about whether AI replaces our jobs like that. So It won't happen, maybe affect some percentage, that's all. Okay, but completely it cannot replace the human, okay, ideas and those things. That's the main thing.
Sir, after completion of a project, that how many years of experience we can raise? Because I have a gap.
Yes,
3 to 4
exactly.
years of,
You can go with that minimum 3 years experience like that. Okay,
after
minimum.
completion of project back, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. So see you in the next class. You can drop now. Thank you.
Sure, sir.